Hey, Sam here today. Well, today we're trying to save a little money on wood by making our own 2x4's. Yeah, you heard me right. These right here are some cast-offs from some 2x6 I cut up. Already done one here. It's just a matter of just glue it back together and make a 2x4 out of it. And so if you don't have enough clamps, well, there are other ways to do this. So this one here, we're going to put together with some screws. It's not going to hurt a thing. So I use Tight Bond 3 because that's what I got. So, and after all these years, I hate getting wood glue on my hands. It just annoys me. So, yeah, hey. So these right here, I always use these Harbor Freight chip brushes. They're really cheap, about $9 for 30 of these or so. And you get done using one, well, you can clean it and reuse it, or you can just toss it. So, and I always just use a cheap bowl or some extra glue, because I like to put just a little bit of extra glue on here. You don't need a whole lot, and it really didn't even need to do both sides, but we did anyway. All right, now you can see these are scrap boards, and so what I'm going to do, we're going to put some screws in it to hold it together. And doesn't have to be perfect or anything, because we're gonna, and the thing about it is you can leave screws in here if you want. It's not gonna hurt anything. But these are 3-inch screws now, and pulled right up nicely. Now if you got plenty of clamps, you can just use lots of clamps, but not everybody has a lot of clamps. So, and if you're a little bit out of alignment here, yeah, you can just hold it together. And like this right here is a little bit out of alignment. This is this wood came from a big box store, so it's probably warped and crooked like most are. Piece of cake. Better put one right here. Now, there you go. Just made yourself a 2x4. Now I don't know about your area, but right now, my area, 2x4 is $9 a piece, and I just made 3 of them out of scrap. So hey, what's 3 nines? 27 bucks. Just saved yourself $27. Hey, I do lots of stuff like this. Go watch some of my videos and see some of the other stuff I do. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.